Today is a great day for Miss Bessie Jackson. 95-year-old Jackson is the New York State Director of the Association for the Study of African American Life and History, and she's one of the key components of getting Abolition Commemoration Day passed as a holiday in New York.
I feel that finally we got the legislators to do what they needed to do.
The bill officially marks recognizing the end of slavery in New York as a statewide holiday. Slavery in the state ended in 1827, and Ms. Jackson says acknowledging the day is crucial to Black history.
Having a holiday is not so important as the reason for the holiday. If you don't know where you came from, you don't know who you are. You really don't.
Along with Abolition Day, Juneteenth was also passed as a state and national holiday. June 19th is the official day the Emancipation Proclamation was enforced, beginning in Galveston, Texas. Jackson, whose grandparents were born into slavery, says that she knows that they are proud.
I think they would be so happy. I think they would be weeping and shouting and congratulating the younger people. And of course, I would be one of the younger people.
Ms. Jackson says that along with Juneteenth, everyone should celebrate and commemorate this day as well, not only in New York, but in all 50 states. Reporting for BronxNet, Dorissa White.